So yesterday we've done some of the leaves. You don't have to do them all in one go. And again, they're a bit like the wreath. You just gradually get them done. Just have them on the side. They're a great project to do if you don't want to think about things too much. You just want to do like after work if you're really tired and you just think, I'll just do 20 minutes. Very, very therapeutic. So we're on to day 6. Things are really getting going of our Advent calendar. And again, it's not a day you're going to have to do something big or anything like that. So 6, I've got 7, 6, remember 6 and 9, because that's the 9, that's the 6. It should be that way up, yeah? The way it folds down, and it should be a darker colour. The 9 looks like that. It's not the end of the world if you open the 9, but you'll probably have to go back and open 6. So 6, let's open up day 6. So, what have we got today? These are some beautiful locks. You have got, I think it's about 20, how much is it? 25 grams worth of locks. And now these are from Keely at Barn to Yarn, who some of you might have seen at some of the shows that I've been and videoed. I really wanted to go and see her, but she's been super busy. And so I wasn't able to make it as well. It's a little bit further away for me. But I'm going to show you a little bit about her website, because I really believe her locks are fantastic value for money, and they are really, really good quality locks. But we are going to use these to be decorating the wreath as we go. So there we go. And she did this colour especially for me as well. I told her the colours of the wreath and I showed her, and these were dyed up exclusive for us. So let's have a look at her website. So it's Keely and Jamie that run Barn to Yarn, founded in 2017, based down in Herefordshire. They like to work with carefully chosen shepherds, and they source the best fleeces and locks that they can, and they develop it all themselves. Look at all these things she does. It's amazing. I did her Advent calendar last year, which was good. She's got a Christmas Eve box and 12 days of Christmas as well. She's got art bats. She's got fibres. She obviously does natural locks as well. I really like, these are the Massam locks, or Masham. I think ours are Massam locks that we've got. She's got alpaca, blue-faced Leicester, Gotland, so lots of different breeds of sheep and different animals. But look, so hand-dyed, 50 grams for £7.10, worldwide shipping. She also does felted scarves. I know she's going to be doing some workshops next year, I think, so I think you should message her, but you can follow her on Instagram and I think Facebook as well. So a massive thank you to Keely from Barn to Yarn for these locks that she did for me, because it's a huge order. When I turned around and said, oh, can you do 115 of them, please? Poor thing. So she managed to do that in between going to shows. But yeah, I hope you like them, and we're just going to put them aside so you don't have to do anything today. So you can carry on with the base of your wreath and doing your leaves. So I'll see you tomorrow.